Hi guys, ready to learn some English? Let's go. Today we have a story, Colton's First Campfire. Let's learn English with Colton as he enjoys his first campfire. Colton zipped up his jacket as the evening air turned cool. Zipped, he zipped it up. Jacket, he's got a jacket on. Colton zipped up his jacket as the evening air turned cool. His dad stacked firewood in the fire pit, making a small pile. Firewood, his dad's got the firewood in the pit. Pile, he's making a pile in a circle. His dad stacked firewood in the fire pit, making a small pile. Colton's dad says, "Go find some small sticks and leaves." Go find some small sticks and leaves, he says. Sticks to put in the fire pit to help fuel it. Leaves also to help fuel it. Colton's dad says, "Go find some small sticks and leaves." The leaves ignited in seconds and the flames roared to life. Seconds of a measurement of time. Roared. The flame shot upwards and roared to life, just like this. The leaves ignited in seconds and flames roared to life. Colton's dad grabbed marshmallows for roasting. Got a marshmallow in Colton's dad's hand. Roasting. They're going to put it over the fire. Colton's dad grabbed marshmallows for roasting. But first, Colton needs to find a stick to use. His dad says, "Colton, find a stick." First, the first thing he has to do. Find. Colton had to look and search and find a stick. But first, Colton needs to find a stick to use. After searching everywhere, Colton found the perfect stick. Searching, Colton was looking around, looking at the ground for a stick. Found. Colton finally found the stick he was going to use. After searching everywhere, Colton found the perfect stick. Colton quickly took the stick and pierced the marshmallow. Quickly, he did it fast. Quickly. Pierced. He pushed the stick through the marshmallow. Colton quickly took the stick and pierced the marshmallow. He holds the marshmallow, waiting for it to brown. Holds. Colton is holding his stick with the marshmallow over the fire. Waiting. He's just waiting for it to turn golden brown. He holds the marshmallow, waiting for it to brown. Colton held it too close and the marshmallow caught fire. Held. Colton is holding the stick. He held it. Fire. Fire on the marshmallow. Colton held it too close and the marshmallow caught fire. He waved it around, extinguishing the flame quickly. Extinguishing, the man extinguished the flames and put it out. Just like Colton put out the fire on his marshmallow. Quickly. Colton did it fast. Quickly. He waved it around, extinguishing the flame quickly. Colton coughed a little as the smoke tickled his nose. Cough. The boy is coughing, just like Colton. Smoke. Smoke from the fire. Colton coughed a little as the smoke tickled his nose. Next, his dad gives him a cracker and chocolate. Dad, Colton's dad. Chocolate, what he's giving Colton to put his marshmallow on top of. Next, his dad gives him a graham cracker and chocolate. Colton sets the warm marshmallow on the chocolate. Sets, the man sets the box on the other boxes. Just like Colton sets the marshmallow on top of the chocolate. Warm. Colton's going to warm it and let it melt. Colton sets the warm marshmallow on the chocolate. Finally, he presses the cookie sandwich together. Cookie? The sandwich that Colton is making? Melt. It's going to melt. All this will melt together. Finally, he presses the cookie sandwich and it melts. The chocolate melted, creating a gooey treat. Gooey? Everything's melting and oozing out the side? Treat, something you have for dessert maybe? The chocolate melted, creating a gooey treat. Hungry, Colton sits down on a log and takes a big bite. Hungry? Colton's hungry right now, ready to eat. Bite. Colton's going to taste it for the first time. Hungry, Colton sits down on a log and takes a big bite. He happily exclaims, "Wow, this is amazing!" He says, "Wow, this is amazing!" Happily, Colton is happy right now to be eating this. Amazing. He thought it was amazing to eat. He happily exclaims, "Wow, this is amazing!" His father adds wood to the fire and they head to bed. Adds, like the man is adding the salt to the soup. Colton's dad is adding wood to the fire. Wood, what Colton's dad is adding to fuel the fire. His father adds wood to the fire and they head to bed. The bushes rustled loudly and footsteps echoed closer. Loudly, the woman was yelling in the megaphone. Echoed, the sounds were echoing in the distance. The bushes rustled loudly and footsteps echoed closer. Suddenly, the sounds stopped. A raccoon family stepped out. Sounds, what Colton was hearing. Raccoon, the animal. Suddenly, the sounds stopped. A raccoon family stepped out. Relieved and tired, Colton heads to his tent and falls asleep. Tired? Colton's tired, he's ready to go to bed. Tent, where Colton will be sleeping tonight. Relieved and tired, Colton heads to his tent and falls asleep. His first campfire was an unforgettable adventure. Campfire, what Colton and his dad made together. Adventure, what Colton and his dad went on together. His first campfire was an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.